We're here to explain the Monty Hall problem, which is commonly confused by many mathematicians and students. And yeah, we're here to explain it.
I am Bob Barker, and this is Monty Hall, a game show host.
No, you're the game show participant.
I am the game show
He's the game show participant.
Bob
I'm Bob
Barker.
Barker.
Oh, Bob Barker.
Alright, so let me put it this way. I'm Bob Barker. I have a game show. And in that game show, I have 3 doors. Each door contains a prize. Behind one of the doors is a brand new Lamborghini.
Ooh.
Behind the other 2 doors are goats.
Our goats.
Now, he is going to pick a door. And I am not going to open that door. I'm going to open one of the other 2 doors that he did not pick. Most people think that by me opening a door and showing him a prize,
I'll
that...
tell him.
Okay.
That once he opens the door and shows me one of the prizes, he can either give me the option to stay with the door
That he picked.
that I picked, or choose the other 2 doors. The common misconception is that there now becomes a 50-50 chance of getting the Lamborghini. Oh no.
That is not correct.
No.
And we will explain why.
Let's do
Ready?
it. Yes.
Okay.
Grace, take your math test.
Seriously, guys. Okay.
I'm
So,
a
Brian.
participant.
Alright, you stand over here. Alright, Brian. Pick a door.
I want the Lambo.
Okay.
I think it's in door 2.
Alright, so Brian picks door 2. Door 2 is marked by the arrow and the circle. Now, I will show you door 1.
Okay.
I'm opening it. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. Behind door 1 is a goat.
Go! Bah! Oh, it's a sheep.
Is a goat.
Goat.
Now, knowing that there is a goat behind door 1, Brian must now choose. Would you like to stay with the door that you picked that's unopened, or pick either of these 2 doors?
Well, I don't want the goat.
Okay,
I don't want a farm.
that's good. What do you think your odds are of getting the Lambo, Brian?
Well, there's 2 doors. 50-50.
No.
Oh.
That's not the case, Brian.
Oh.
Because
I'm not Barker.
There are actually 3 doors. See, the chances of Brian picking the goat door that I opened are still 1/3.
Still 1/3. You can't assume that I'm not going to pick the goat.
You can't assume that. So not only is it mathematical, it's also somewhat psychological.
Right.
So Brian could hypothetically pick the goat door and win a goat, but, that wouldn't be very fun for the,
Yeah.
me or the crowd.
Right.
So-
we want the Lambo.
Brian is going to either stay with his door or choose another door. And we're going to explain why it's in his best interest to choose the other door.
Door 3.
Now, think of it this way.
Let's revert back to our original diagram, which was in blue. Remember? Goat. He gave that to me. I don't want a goat. I picked 2. Now, I have the option to not pick the goat. You pick these 2. However, we can't, again, assume that I'm not going to pick the goat.
It's still, the chances are still
Right.
there. They don't
But-
just disappear.
What Bob Barker did, old Bob Barker, he basically increased my chances of getting the Lamborghini by giving me the goat, which I don't want. Now, the best option for me is to pick door 3.
To not stick with his original pick.
To not stick. Now,
But why?
why?
Yeah.
Why, you ask?
Yeah.
Well, I'm a participant, and I am very good at probability, and I'll tell you why. Because originally there was a 1/3 chance of each of the doors having a Lamborghini behind it.
Mhm.
Once you gave me the goat, it increased my chances, because now there was a 1/3 chance of this, and a 1/3 chance of that, but I add an additional 1/3 by knowing that there is a goat behind door 1.
1/3 to what?
1/3 to this door. Because there's a 1/3 chance of this, and then there's a 1/3 chance of that. But I know that that's not it. So now,
So you can add these two together, almost,
basically,
and get 2/3.
and that's 66.67.
So instead of ruling this one out and decreasing the amount of chances that you can have to pick a Lamborghini to 2, the denominator stays 3 because this is still a viable option, right?
Yes.
The goat is still a viable option, but Brian would not do that because he doesn't own a farm and he has no use for a goat. So, while the denominator stays 3, that's in Brian's favor. See, the chances are actually higher if the option of the goat stays.
Nah. Let's just see what car I get. / go. John, I choose door 3. Can you open up the garage or the door, John? Oh, no way. Oh,
Lambo!
Lambo!
He won.
I win.
Is that,
Lambo.
wait, actually?
Hi, Joel.
We need to